Solve the following without a calculator. So we want to solve this for x. Now this is an inequality because it has less than signs instead of equals. Okay? And it's really two inequalities. The first inequality is the left side of it. So negative 6 is less than 2x plus 8. And then if you cover up the negative 6 and the less than sign over here, you'll have the right side of it. And that's going to be 2x plus 8 is less than 18. Okay, so we have two inequalities to solve with an and between them. Okay, now what number is next to the x? Besides the 2, which is the coefficient, what number is next to the x? Well, if you think it's negative 6, you're wrong because there's a big division right here. That less than sign is a big division. So the number next to x is this number right here. Okay? So we're going to get rid of that number by subtracting 8 from both sides of the equation. Now if you owe $6 and then you borrow $8 more, now your debt increases. To increase, we add the numbers, but we are still in debt. So it's going to be a negative 14 is less than, and bring down the 2x, and this is canceled. Okay. Now, the number next to x now is the 2, and that's the coefficient. Okay. So we're going to get rid of the coefficient. When we have one term and two terms, when we have two terms, we're going to get rid of the number in front of x, which is called the coefficient. We're going to divide both sides of this inequality by 2. So you're going to have negative 14 over 2 is less than 2x divided by 2. Okay? So now 2x over 2 is x, and negative 14 over 2, well, that's 14 over 2 is 7, so a negative 14 over 2 is a negative 7. Bring down your less than, and we already said cancel the 2's out, that leaves you with an x. Now come over here, what number is next to the x? The 8 is, okay? Not the coefficient, we'll deal with the coefficient last. Remember how we dealt with the coefficient over here? And we did that when we had two terms. We have 1, 2, 3 terms. So besides the coefficient, we're going to get rid of the 8 here. Subtract 8 from both sides. You're going to get 2x is less than, and 18 minus 8 is 10. Okay? We have an and between these two inequalities. Now we're going to divide both sides of the inequality. Here 2x is less than 10. Divide both sides by the coefficient of the variable, 2. So I'll have 2x over 2. And then is less than, we're going to have 10 over 2. And then we're going to find out with an and here that 2x over 2 is x. That's less than, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, copy this up a little bit higher up here. And let's write this way. We'll have negative 7. Then we'll have our less than. Then we'll have our x. And then what do we know about this over here? That x is less than a positive 5. So our answer lies between negative 7 and a plus 5. So negative 7 is less than x, and x is less than 5.